Hello guys, welcome to iWhere Official. Are you a big fan of Pokémon Go? When searching for various Pokémon, we need to move to different places. But if you want to catch Pokémon without leaving home, then this video is definitely not to be missed. You will see how to catch Pokémon by changing GPS location. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you need to enter iWhere.ec.com to install iWhere iPhone Location Changer on your computer. It's available for both Windows and macOS. Once installed, connect your iPhone to the computer. Ensure the connection is secure, then launch iWhere. Next, select the multi-stop mode on the toolbar. This mode allows you to set multiple spots by searching manually or clicking on the map directly. After selecting the starting point, end point, and waypoint, you can set the moving speed such as walking speed, bicycle speed, and driving speed. In addition, if you have liked routes before, you can enter the routes and switch to them with one click. Isn't it very convenient? With iWhere iPhone Location Changer, you can change the GPS location on your iPhone to any location in the world. This means that you can achieve iPhone location freedom. In addition to AR games, iWhere iPhone Location Changer can also change social media locations with one click, hide real locations on location sharing software, etc. Many powerful functions are waiting for you to try and experience. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.